Good morning, guys. Can you believe that today is Friday and you have 3 more days of school left? I can't. That's pretty insane, right? And you guys can now officially call yourselves seventh graders after next Wednesday. So, guys, just a couple of important things today. Today is Flex Friday, meaning that it's your chance to catch up on any NTIs you may have or any retakes you may like to retake. Please keep in mind, if you retake something or if you complete something, I will not go back to look for it if it was an NTI. If you could comment on the activity feed with the title of the assignment, I'll update that as soon as I can, okay? Um, Again, today is your chance to catch up on any NTIs or retakes you might like to take. Next week, what also starts today are your class superlatives voting, and that's for next week. So it's something a little fun that you guys can look forward to, end of year little celebration. So guys, the more people that are involved next week, the more fun it's going to be. So definitely vote for your class superlatives. I'll link that to eClass today. Also, try to vote for different people each category. It makes it more fun, okay? Those will also be announced on Wednesday, the last day of school, so stay tuned for that. Next Tuesday, you're also going to have a Padlet that I'll link to the eClass page, and you'll stay tuned for what that category for the Padlet is. Wednesday, guys, again, I'm going to announce the superlatives, and you guys can also open your end of year letters I wrote for you. So that's a tradition that I do. I love to write end of year letters to each one of my students. And I've included a little treat for you guys. So try not to open those till Wednesday because they are end of year letters. Next week on Monday, I know I'm backtracking a little bit. Monday the 18th is your final. So I need you guys to write that real big on your expo board and your planner and your phone, wherever you guys write important information. Make sure you write that down. The final is going to open at 8 a.m. You will have a 2-hour limit. You guys can use your notes on it. So, be diligent about that. Monday as well. That is the last day you have for any NTIs you'd like to turn in. So I will not be taking any NTIs on Tuesday or Wednesday. So if you email me saying, hey, Ms. Linsky, I've updated this, I will not update that for you. Okay? I need to get grades in by Monday night. All right? Tuesday, the 19th, is your bag pickup. So if you guys had things in your lockers, they've put them into bags, but even if you didn't have things in your lockers, please come because you may have something in your bag. If you have anything you'd like to return, like a musical instrument or your library books, please keep that in your trunk. We will open your car for you, take what needs to be returned, and put your bag in your trunk, okay? That way we have social distancing and we're being safe, okay? Also, guys, please make sure that you check what time you're supposed to come. I will also put those hours on my eClass page. You will come by homeroom teacher. So you're going to find your homeroom teacher, see what time you're supposed to arrive, and that's the time limit you come. Please don't be late and please don't be early because we've literally planned it where you come at your time, okay? Also, before you get here, guys, if you could have your parents write your last name and your homeroom teacher name on a sheet of paper and place it inside their windshield so we can see that and help you a lot faster, that would be great as well. You will also have your end of school year letters in that bag. So, like I said, even if you didn't have anything in your locker, definitely stop by because that's my little tradition and I would love for you guys to get your end of school year letters. All right, guys, I look forward to seeing you next week. Again, your bag pickup is on Tuesday. Your final is on Monday. Superlatives on Tuesday. End of year celebration Wednesday. Okay, so there's a lot of info. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, again, I will email all of this info out today, along with your progress reports and anything else you guys may need. Again, I'll also post that on eClass so you guys are prepared. Alrighty, guys. Woohoo! 3 more days. Let's finish strong. Bye, guys. See you soon.